This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping services so files don't change. Open Xampp control panel and stop Apache and MySQL. Once stopped, make a full backup. Export the database with phpMyAdmin or run miscldump because deletions are permanent. Make sure you have admin credentials and file system write access to Xampp/MySQL/data. After the backup completes, verify the SQL file opens, then proceed to the deletion steps. This prevents accidental data loss and lets you restore if needed. You log into phpMyAdmin and select the target database to remove. This interface is safest for dependencies. Once selected, check all tables and choose Drop from the drop-down, then confirm the operation. phpMyAdmin will execute the SQL to remove all objects. If you prefer manual removal, stop MySQL and delete the database folder inside Xampp/MySQL/data because files reflect the actual storage. But be cautious, manual deletion skips engine-level cleanup. After either method, restart services and verify removal. You restart Apache and MySQL, then open phpMyAdmin to confirm the database is gone. That final check closes the loop. If you see errors or the database still appears, inspect the MySQL error log and ensure file system permissions are correct. MySQL needs access to data folders. If corruption or accidental deletion occurred, restore the SQL backup via phpMyAdmin import or miscldump. This brings tables back. One key tip: when things go wrong, check logs first. They tell you what failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.